Hi, welcome to CIDC. I'm Jayashri Kurup. I'm editor CIDC Nirman. And today we are talking about the interim budget 2024 that the BJP government has presented. Himanshu, I'm going to come to you. What are the issues that your industry would have liked addressed, and do you think they have been addressed?
I think Mr. Pai has pointed out uh, everything, what you can see at 30,000 feet, the consistency in a government's motive, focus on infrastructure, be it roads, rail, metro, or we are not talking today, or the budget paper which came did not talk about the investment in water treatment plants, effluent treatment plants, but I know that that's where also the money is going. So this is all in the right direction. But I want to touch upon the technology topic which Mr. Pai raised. When we are looking at the sustainability side of government's move, there's a lot of work being done when it comes to renewable energies, solar power. We also look at the consumer goods areas where there is a good classification of the products being done, and there is good understanding given to the consumers on what is uh, energy efficient and what is not. Now, equivalent of that in the construction industry is something which we have been expecting, but we are not seeing in the budget discussions. When it comes to investment in research and investment in technologies which are sustainable in construction, I think this is one area where government needs to focus on now. Uh, and the second point which I raised, the way we see the classification in the consumer durables area. We need to have also the classification on the construction materials and the buildings we construct. In the construction material side, while we are talking about the green buildings and the green materials, we also understand brown buildings and brown materials, but there is no clear cut rating given. And if we can come up with some kind of classification on that and the rating of the materials, it will help us in also achieving our energy goals. We can talk a little bit more about it later, but this is my high level view.
Sure. As climate change happens and we have more extreme weather incidents, the role of construction chemicals becomes more and more important. And like Dr. Swarup said, if it's not well laid, the baby lands in your court. But actually, the thing is that it is, you need the entire supply chain or the execution chain to be evolved. So, your response.
Sure. So good that you pointed this topic. We are kind of unsung, not heroes, but unsung contributors to this good cause. I mean, today you make say M40 concrete with 300 odd cement, kg cement. In past, we were using 350 kg cement for making M15 concrete. Yeah. Now, this has happened because of the construction chemicals. I've just given a simple example. So, on today's date, if you are using for the same construction almost 40% less cement, that is happening because of construction chemicals. And the examples can go everywhere. And this is why I'm always in favor of sustainable technologies in construction, because when we are talking about sustainable technologies in construction, all the building materials will come into the play, the advanced building materials that includes construction chemicals as well. And this is where I'm talking about the sustainable concrete, utilization of fly ash, utilization of blast furnace slag, use of less volatile material, and the incentives to the users. On today's date, when you are making platinum building, uh, it's is the the name which the platinum building owner is getting, but there's no financial incentive as such uh, to them or to their building material suppliers. So I'm linking it to the budget right now. I'm not trying to make it a technology session, but clearly I believe that there is some kind of funding required to promote people, and we have to remember that we have signed to the zero carbon and whatever climatic promises we have made to achieve by 2070. We will not be able to achieve if we only focus on renewable energy and don't focus with financial help to in the construction industry.